Welcome viewers, welcome Manisha. So one of the popular questions which we keep getting from viewers is, I see there are multiple flats, multi-level flats, where across different floors, one particular corner flat, they have the same layout. So between the ground floor, first floor or second floor. But people living in these three different flats, they have different ups and downs in
Life.
their.
Yeah.
So how can is that possible? Is that due to Vastu or is that due to something else?
Exam. So, yes, there can be some other aspects to it also, like the horoscope of the people staying, right? But yes, the Vastu definitely makes a lot of difference, comes in when we are talking about, the various floors in a building, right? When we are talking about flats. So, so what happens is that um, the Vastu is not totally universal. Uh, it means that even if the layout of the house is the same, like for example in the flats which are having that same structure, one on top of the other. Okay, so the bedroom would be placed one, first floor, the bedroom would be placed on the second floor. So that same layout is applicable across the various
Right,
floors, right?
right.
But the people staying in those houses, you know, they have a different guna, and they have a different varna, and they have a different profession, right? They have a different prakriti. So these are those variables for which, a particular activity in a particular zone, let's say a bedroom in a particular zone for a doctor, would have a different effect, than if, let us say, an artist is staying there. Okay, so the effect on
That
these two
is
people would be different.
definitely interesting. I think traditionally we used to say eldest of the house, you go and sleep in southwest and things like that. But then how the
See,
occupation plays an important role, that's a very interesting point.
yes, yes, yes. Yeah. See, I think over a period of years when India was under siege, of foreigners, we kind of lost the knowledge, and so it became too simplistic, and it became a lot of misinterpretations were propagated, and so when we are talking about the various zones and the various activities, at that point of time, I will explain about this concept of having the eldest member of the family or the earning member of the family sleeping in the southwest zone. We'll
Okay.
touch upon that later. But yes, so what we are talking about is that the profession of a person, the prakriti of a person play an important role in deciding how that vastu will work for him, right? So that is one thing, right? Then secondly, there are so many elements in a building. Okay, so for example, an overhead water tank, that the effect of that particular overhead water tank is going to come to the people staying in the topmost few floors. Similarly, a boring would have more effect on the people who are staying in the uh, lower floors of the house. Okay. Then again, if we have a staircase going straight, and then, the we have the entry to two flats or four flats.
Okay.
So actually, the entry becomes different. The
Right.
layout may be the same,
Mhm.
it may look to be the same, but actually it is reversed. Okay.
Right. Even a small change in the door position matters a lot. Okay.
Yeah. And then when people renovate, they make these other changes. and the interiors of the place, you know. So
Right.
those aspects are very important also. So the interiors are hugely responsible for the different lives that we see in the people, you know. And then, you know, there are all these elements like in the kitchen people would renovate and somebody would have the burner placed in a different portion of the slab, right? Somebody would have it in a different place. Then there is that water filter, then uh, you know, elements like these little
Right.
little things which we normally do not talk about, you know, so much. They play an immense role in actually deciding our life.
Okay.
And so when we actually work on any home or any office, we take note of every little thing that is placed there. You know, where is the AC, where is the inverter, where are the batteries placed, where is the water cooler, where is, you know, the burner placed, right? And then, of course, the other interior objects, the statues, you know, like, for example, too many Ganesha statues placed here and there in the house,
Okay.
and that would have a certain effect.
Okay.
Okay, so like that.
Okay. Thank you for that interesting insight, Manisha. Viewers, keep sending us your questions and we will have them addressed by Manisha. Thank you.
Thank you so much.